Go ahead and make sure that your name and your date are on this paper. October 22nd, 2020. OCTOBER, October. Each weekday, Paul eats a bowl of cereal for breakfast. How many bowls of cereal will Paul eat in 1 week? Okay, each weekday, Paul eats a bowl of cereal. So how many will he eat in 1 week? Weekday, not the weekend days, just the weekdays. So how many weekdays are there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. How many is that? 5. So 5 bowls of cereal. 5 bowls of cereal. How many children are in our classroom? We have 25 children in our room. Oops, I'm sorry, we have to put that down here. 25. And now we have to show that number using tally marks. Remember that we need to count groups of 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, tally up to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, tally up to 25. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 there, counting by 5s. Notice how I have space in between my tallies. You want to make sure you have that. Divide the circle here into halves. Try to make it as straight as you can. And divide this other circle here into fourths. So I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to go straight across, just like I did when I went through with my paper. Okay, it is 5:30 now. What time was it an hour ago? An hour ago. 5:30 is 5:30. So what time was it an hour ago? I have to take this time here and go back an hour. What's 1 less than 5? 4. So 4:30 or 4:30. And now I need to show that on my clock face. Remember that 1/2 means that my minute hand is going to be down at my 6. And if it's 4:30, it's going to be halfway through the 4 o'clock hour in between the 4 and the 5. Remember that my hour hand needs to be smaller than my minute hand. And then your next task is actually still looking at the clock face. You need to circle the even numbers on the clock face. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Write an addition and subtraction fact family using the numbers 3, 8, and 5. I like to put them in order so that I can see which number is my biggest number. And I can see my biggest number is 8. So my 2 smaller numbers have to equal 8. Those are going to be my add-ins. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now remember, when I'm subtracting, I have to start with my largest number of 8. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. This last problem wants us to work with money. It says, how much money is 2 dimes? Okay, I can draw them out if I need to. Each dime is worth 10 cents. 10, 20. So 2 dimes is worth 20 cents. How much money is 30 pennies? Remember, 30 pennies is going to be the same thing as saying 30 cents because each penny is worth 1. So 30 cents. Anytime you're talking about pennies, you can just put a cent sign behind that, and it's the same thing because each penny is worth only 1. Dimes, you can't do that because dimes are worth 10. Now, it says circle the one that's worth more. Is 20 cents more or 30 cents more? 30 is. Go ahead and circle that. Okay? Now that we have finished the front side, you are responsible for the back side. It gave you some directions on things to do. You will need a yellow, blue, red, and green crayon or colored pencil. Make sure to follow the directions. Number 5, circle the odd numbers. Down here at the bottom, 6 dimes and 42 pennies. Circle the one that's worth more. Okay, tally marks for people in your family. When you are done, please make sure this gets back into your folder.